Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
In today's session, we will be learning about solar system. So, solar system is one of the important topics that we study in our 5th grade. Now, first of all, let us understand what is solar system. The sun and its 8 planets together make solar system. So, totally in our solar system, how many planets are there?
8 planets.
So we have 8 planets. Along with the Earth, there are 7 more planets involved in our solar system. Sun, along with the 8 planets, together make solar system. Sun and along with its 8 planets together make solar system. Now let us understand about Sun. Sun is the nearest star to our Earth. There are plenty of stars are there. In that, Sun is the very nearest star for our Earth. So, Sun is located at the center of the solar system. What is located at the center? Sun, the star, our star Sun is located at the center of the solar system, and other planets, the 8 planets which are there, revolving around the Sun in its own orbit. Each and every planet has its own path. They are not circulating in a circular path. They are moving in a egg-like path, which we call it as
Egg-like path.
So it goes around in an elliptical pathways called as orbits. So now you can see a model here. It's a model of solar system. The center light indicates what, children? Center light indicates what?
Solar.
The center one. What is this? Sun, isn't it? Sun will give us light and heat energy. 2 energies we are receiving from the sun. Which are the 2 energies?
Light and heat.
Light and heat are the 2 types of energies that we are receiving. Not only our planet, all other planets also receiving the both type of energies from the sun. And sun is also playing a very crucial role to have life on the earth. So you know that in all the planets, only the earth is having life, isn't it, children?
Yes,
only earth is having living organisms like us. So because of sun's temperature and water and presence of atmosphere around the earth allows the life to have on the earth. So these are the reasons the only planet earth is having the life on the earth. And you know, sun will always rise in which direction? East. It always rises in the east and it sets in the
West.
It always rises in the east and sets in the
West.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question is like this. Does sun moving everywhere? Look at the model and tell me, is sun is moving?
No, ma'am.
Then what are moving in the model?
Planets.
So, even earth is moving around the sun. Not sun is moving. Earth is moving around the sun. And this movement making us to feel like day and night. We feel like sun is rising at the east and setting at the west. So this is the reason we feel like sun is rising and setting. Actually, our earth is moving, but not the sun. Sun is not revolving anywhere. He is in its own position. But our earth is moving around the sun. As I mentioned earlier, how many planets are there in our solar system? Now let us understand what are these planets. Let us name them first. The first and and very closer and very smallest planet is Mercury. Which is the planet called as?
Mercury.
The second planet, Venus, it is called as hottest planet. Venus is called as what? Hottest planet. The temperature on the Venus is too much. So it is the hottest planet of our solar system, which is located in the third position. Yes, it's our Earth is located in the third position in the planet system. So now after Earth, Mars. The fourth planet is Mars. Then comes Jupiter. Jupiter is like huge or the biggest planet in our solar system. Which is the biggest planet? Jupiter. Which is the biggest planet? Jupiter is also said to be gaseous planet. It is completely made up of gases. So that is the reason we call it as gaseous planet. After Jupiter, Saturn comes. Saturn is said to be beautiful planet of our solar system. What kind of planet the Saturn is? Beautiful. You know what is the reason for the beautiful, why we call it as beautiful in the sense, Saturn has rings around the planet. What does it has?
Rings around the planet.
See here, this is Saturn. See here, you can see ring around the planet. Not like this. In actual picture, when we see, a spectacular rings can be seen around the Saturn. After Saturn, there is a planet called as Uranus. Next planet what? Uranus. And the 8th planet is Neptune. Neptune is said to be the coldest planet of our solar system. What it is called as?
Solar system.
Coldest planet. It is called as what?
Coldest planet.
Venus is called as hottest planet. Mercury is called as smallest planet. Saturn is called as beautiful planet. Jupiter is called as gaseous planet. And Mars, we call it as twin sister of our Earth. It is just similar like Earth only. The size and gravity, everything is similar to that of the Earth. Red planet. Mars is called as what?
Red planet.
Can you tell me which color does our Earth look when we watch from the space? What
Blue.
color?
Blue.
Why do you think so? Why our Earth seems to be blue in color? Because of the presence of water. We have plenty of oceans on the surface of the Earth. We have what? Plenty of oceans, water. So we have lot of water on the Earth. That is the reason a planet appears to be what color? What color?
Blue.
That looks like a blue ball when we observe from the outer space. When we see our Earth from the outer space, it looks like blue in color. You know what, students? When I was in the school days, I used to study that we had 9 planets. When I was studying, we were studying like we had 9 planets. Which was the one more planet? Do you have any idea about that 9th planet? Okay, let me tell you. It's called Pluto. It is called what?
Pluto.
Pluto was involved in our solar system earlier. In today's solar system, we don't consider Pluto as a planet, but Pluto is there, but it is called as dwarf planet. Pluto is called as dwarf planet. It is not a true planet. It is called as dwarf planet. So these are all our planets. So Sun along with the 8 planets makes a solar system.